Okay guys, maayong hapon. So mo ni siya akong opinion regarding kabahin aning trans woman as a woman. I believe that trans women are not women in the biological sense. Being a woman to me is rooted in a biology chromosomes, reproductive anatomy, and live experiences that begins at birth. This view is not meant in insult or erase anyone's identity, but to state a distinction that many people believe still matters, especially in discussion about biology, medicine, and women's spaces. Daghang moingon nga kung dili ka muuyon, automatic nga transphobic ka. Dili man na tinuod, pwede man ka mo respeto sa usa ka tawo bisan dili mo pareho og pagtuo. Ang pag-ingon nga trans woman are women's in an opinion, dili siya absolute fact para sa tanan. Strong rebuttal ko sa idea nga dili pag-acknowledge sa trans woman as woman kay automatic hatred na. Respect is not the same as argument or agreement. You can treat someone with dignity, kindness, and fairness without changing the definition of womanhood that has existed for generation. Kung tanaw na to ang reality, medical records, sports, and women's health, biological sex still matters. Dili na pag-validate sa feelings sa usa ka trans woman, pero pag-recognize nga naay kalainan tali sa gender identity o biological sex. Sa pagkatapusan, pwede raman mag-coexist ang pagrespeto ug honest sa opinion. Dili kinahanglan pugson ang tanan muuyon sa usa ka belief. What matters most is discourse with respect boundaries and truth as we understand it. So mao na siya ang akong opinion as gay. Thank you and God bless.